What's up? I'm Chef Nicholas and I want to talk about this. Have you ever noticed that when you have flavored olive oils, some of them have this kind of artificial flavor or they kind of taste a little odd? You ever noticed that? Well, that's because they're using dry ingredients and it sucks. Let's be honest, okay? What we do as Dip Foods, we use real ingredients. We use it fresh. So we're boiling it, we're cutting it, and putting that flavor right in there. And that's what we do in fine dining. I've been a fine dining chef for a very long time. I've been cooking for almost like bloody 19 years. It's ridiculous. The fact of the matter is, we refrigerate our product, and that was what maintains that flavor, and it doesn't go stale. It lasts a long time this way. The thing is, when you have your product out in room temp, which makes no logical sense, it's gonna get stale. It's gonna be crap. If it's the first time you've ever had our product, I'm gonna tell you what you can do. Go in the description, you can go straight to our page, you can purchase our product, and if you don't like it, we'll refund your money. It's no questions asked. And how you can do that, if you want to be refunded, you can text us right here, it'll go straight to our phones, and even I'll get the text message. Or you can go in the description and the email will be right there. Anyway, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it, and please don't forget to click the like button. It helps more than you know. Anyway, subscribe if you can.